Let's take a look at this exercise with variables for the first time. So we see a little bit of a demo here in this black box. So this is interactable. You can click on it and play around with it. So let's say you want to watch The Matrix. I'm typing in the word Matrix there, and now it should say now playing Matrix. If we run the code that we have right now, we just have welcome to Netflix. What movie would you like to watch? And if I type in Matrix, you notice here that we are at the input function. So it's pausing and it's allowing us to type. If I press enter, it just says now playing. That's because we haven't stored it into a variable and we haven't also retrieved the contents of the variable in our final result as well. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously to assign the result of whatever the user typed in from the input function into a variable. So I'm just going to call this variable movie, just remembering the rules that variable names must follow. They can't start with a number, they can't have spaces in them, and they can't have special characters other than the underscore. Okay, so I'm going to put into the movie variable. Obviously that will work, but it won't actually display the contents of the variable that they typed in. So to complete that last line, we need to be able to use the plus sign to concatenate or to join a piece of text that's coming up, just like how we used it for the color. And we are going to use the name of the variable. Okay, so here the name of the variable is on the left-hand side, which means we're putting information into it. Here, the name of the variable is not on the left-hand side of any equal sign, so it means we're going to look inside it and substitute whatever value we find inside. So here, we can now do whatever we like. So the cell, okay, now playing the cell, okay, or Lord of the Rings. Okay, and it will remember whatever was typed in, put that into the variable, and then pull it out of the variable in order to display it. So that's how we do that one there.